YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to style and rock this wig. This is a lace front bob wig. It doesn't have much of a parting space. It actually has some lace around here and lace at the front, so it's not a 13x4 frontal or a closure or anything like that. However, it's a bob wig, a very playful bob wig. I like how easy this will be to throw onto my head and just go to work in it or go out in it. It's really short. I think the front is about 4 inches long and the back is really short, like half an inch. And at the back it lays really flat because it has what do you call them, straps that you can use to adjust the back. And so I'd styled this hair using my flat iron and my hot comb, trying to lay the hair. However, after a while I think I've found that when it's untidy it looks really nice, really sexy. I love this wig. It's quite short and it's easy for you guys to wear and, you know, just play around in. I know I look crazy shaking my head like that, but I love the outcome. I have a mirror right here, that's why I keep glancing over there, and I think, wow, yeah, I'm definitely going to be doing more bobs. I laid the sides with my foaming mousse, and I also used this spray. This is a brand new spray that I was given. It's supposed to be the same as the Got to Be Glued Frizz Blast spray. And yeah, so I've just laid the hair the way I wanted. I've laid the sides. I had to cut this ear tab on this side because it kept bending my ear over. But after that, the wig fits perfectly onto my head and it's so light. I'm used to wearing such long hair and very heavy bundles, so with this I just feel like I don't have a wig on. I just feel like I can go on my merry way. And yeah, also I did my makeup off camera because I don't see the reason to do makeup on camera. I'm not a makeup guru, so I think I'll be doing all my makeup off camera and then I will be installing the wigs on camera. But of course, if you want to see me doing my makeup on camera as usual, just let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely do that for you guys. Yeah, so I won't keep this intro very long, so you guys watch the video, and if you like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
If I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time, but if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying, make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it love, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold. If we ever was lost before, now we finally found our way. And love is stronger than anything. We will make our own way. Night is over the park and a few brave stars. I give you the moon and my all is yours. Don't hesitate, just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly